Afterwards, what happened? They played a lot and they enjoyed the weather of the sun. One of the girl, she cries out because she is crying a big. Then a fat raindrop in her hand, it flows. She says, "Oh, everyone, look over here." They came slowly to look at her opened palm. They stand for a moment thinking about how wonderful the sun feels on their skin. While they do this all activity, the rain clouds, they move over their heads. The shadow of the clouds, it came over there. They turn and start to walk back towards the underground house. Their smiles again vanish down. A boom of thunder startles them, and just like the leaves before a new hurricane, they all tumbled upon each other and they ran into their underground houses. Lightning strikes again when they went on to the 10 miles away, 5 miles away, after then a half mile away. The sky again darkens into a midnight in a flash. They stand in a doorway of the underground doorway for a moment until it is raining hard. Then they close the door and hear the gigantic sound on the rain which is falling in tons. They ask to their teacher, "Will it be 7 year more?" Means now we have to wait for 7 years. Then one of them gives a answer. Then one of them give the answer that let's heard the cry. Let's go there. Who is there? There is a cry of Margaret. She is still closed. Who has locked her? The teacher asked who has locked her. They all stare to each other. They all stand in a line as if someone has driven them like so many stakes. They look at each other and then they look away. They glance out at the world that it is raining now and raining and raining and raining continuously. They couldn't meet each other's glances. Their faces are solemn and pale. They all looked together and to their hands and their feet. Their faces were down. They said, "Let's go to the market and feel apologize to that girl Margaret." So they all walked slowly. They walked very slowly to the hill in the sound of the cold rain. They all turned through the doorway to the room in the sound of the storm and thunderstorm lightning which was on their faces. They all were very terrible at that time. They walked over to the closed door and they slowly opened the door. Behind the door, it was just silence. They unlocked the door even more slowly and they thought that they will get the Margaret out. Afterwards, they unlocked the door and they got the Margaret out from the room. Okay, so this is all about the story. Okay, and now I will tell you about the setting of the story. The place of action of this story is planet Venus. In this story, the writer describes actually the life of a group of school children who live on the planet Venus with their families. They are now 9 years old. It has been continuously raining there for the last 7 years. Now the scientists on the planet, they predicted that the sun will come out for a very short period of time. So all the children were excited and happy. They were eagerly waiting for this occasion. Afterwards, at last, as I told you just now, then they all took the Margaret out because they have locked the Margaret in the room. Okay, so this is all about the story.